First is comparison. If we talk about comparison, by summing up, we will be asking the charts like which category is higher, lower, better or worse. If we talk about time and trend visuals, then the question will go like, how is the metric changing over time? Is there any season or is there any trend in the chart and all? If we talk about ranking, it goes with the name. Okay, who is leading? Who is at the bottom? How the ranks are changing? What are the things which are changing the ranks? Then that's ranking. Composition. Composition are just like part to whole visuals. Just as I said, if my sales is 20 lakhs, how much each product is contributing to it, how much percentage share each product makes up to, then that comes in composition visuals. Next is distribution visuals, which helps us to understand how the data is spread. Okay, what's the max, what's the min, are there any outliers in the data, how are the, like, where is the most value is concentrated, where is most of the data clustered, then we use distribution visuals. Relation and correlation visuals, okay, how two or more variables are related to each other. If I'm spending on something, am I getting the worth of it? If the season is changing, are my products are also in the market being competitive or not? If I want to analyze something like that, then we should go with relationship and correlation visuals. If you talk about process visuals are the one which helps us to understand at which step we are gaining how much, at which step we are dropping off how much, is there any gain in this step, is there any loss in this step, and what's all the like changes which is happening step by step. Then we talk about process visuals. Second last is the performance and KPI visuals. This we all use in our dashboards. Okay, are we meeting our targets? How much progress is done? Are we falling short? If yes, we are falling short, then with how much category or how much percentage we should buckle up our sales to meet the targets, to meet the wants of the manager, to meet the goals of the manager. Then on what sectors we should focus on, or which products we should like accelerate the sales, or like do the marketing, or do something like that. So at the end of the year or at the end of the time, the manager wants and needs must be completed. Because as an analyst, what we all do is what the manager asks us to do, how the products are doing, which is the best, which is the worst, and which all things we should focus on. The last one is AI and custom visuals. Okay, AI and custom visuals are the visuals which helps us to understand more in depth about anything. Like, can I explore it more further? If we talk about a product, then its region, then its segment, and then which country and which company was selling it. If I want to talk in a single visual all of it, then AI and custom visuals helps us to do that.